Hello there! Are you eager to improve your English vocabulary and confidently express yourself? Well, we have got just what you need. Introducing our innovative video vocabulary series, crafted exclusively for you, right here in the EngVarta's app. Now, every day you will be getting 3 brand new words with their meanings, examples, and pronunciations. And to make it even better, we are offering these lessons in both Hindi and English. Well, we totally understand the importance to remember the words you're learning. That's why after every 6 days, you will be receiving a revision session to recall and review the words you have learned. This way, you will never forget the new vocabulary. To watch today's video, just press the play button. And once you're done with the video, you'll be seeing a button called Unlock Next Day. Make sure to press it to receive the next day's video lesson. And to watch previous videos, just navigate through the weeks and enjoy the unrestricted access to all the previous videos. We truly believe that our new video vocabulary series will be a game changer in your English learning journey. We are so excited to see your progress as you embark on this journey with us. Happy learning!